Do your calendar event suddenly shift when you travel, or does your meeting time look different in another city? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a simple setting called Lock Time Zone that keeps your event time fixed no matter where you go. Let's see how it works. First, open your Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under More Settings section, enable Lock Time Zone. Once enabled, tap Time Zone and choose the time zone you want your events to follow. From now on, all your events will stay in that time zone even if you travel to another region or country. And that's it. With Lock Time Zone enabled, your schedule stays consistent everywhere you go, no more shifting meeting times. It's very simple but extremely useful. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.